Hey everyone, welcome back to Animal Perspective. In today's video, we'll be discussing 10 small dog breeds that are perfect for beginners in 2023. If you're new to owning a dog, or just looking for a smaller companion, then keep watching. First on our list is the Chihuahua. These dogs are one of the smallest breeds in the world and are perfect for apartment living. They are fiercely loyal and make great companions. Next up, we have the Pomeranian. These fluffy little dogs are incredibly social and thrive on attention. They are intelligent and easy to train, making them a great choice for first-time dog owners. The Shih Tzu is a small breed that is known for its luxurious, long coat. They are a low-energy breed, making them ideal for those who don't have a lot of space to exercise their dog. They are also great with children and make wonderful family pets. The Bichon Frise is a small, fluffy dog that is full of energy and loves to play. They are also very intelligent and are easy to train. They are great with kids and other animals, making them a great choice for families. The Boston Terrier is a small, muscular breed that is known for its affectionate personality. They are easy to train and love to play. They also make great watchdogs and are fiercely loyal to their owners. The French Bulldog is a small breed that is known for its unique appearance and loving personality. They are a great choice for apartment living and are low-maintenance dogs. They are also great with children and other pets. The Cavalier King Charles Spaniel is a small breed that is known for its long, silky coat and loving personality. They are great with children and other animals and are easy to train. They are also great watchdogs and will alert you if someone is at the door. The Yorkshire Terrier is a small breed that is known for its feisty personality. They are great with kids and other pets and are easy to train. They are also hypoallergenic, making them a great choice for those with allergies. The miniature Schnauzer is a small breed that is known for its alert personality and unique appearance. They are intelligent and easy to train, making them a great choice for first-time dog owners. They are also great watchdogs and will bark if they sense danger. Last but not least, we have the Papillon. This small breed is known for its butterfly-like ears and friendly personality. They are great with kids and other pets and are easy to train. They are also very active and love to play, making them a great choice for those who enjoy outdoor activities. And that's a wrap on our list of 10 small dog breeds that are perfect for beginners in 2023. No matter which breed you choose, remember that owning a dog is a big responsibility. Always do your research before bringing home a new furry friend, and make sure you have the time and resources to care for them properly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to know about pets. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about financial knowledge and entrepreneurship for young people.